Are you still spending hours editing videos, designing images, or writing scripts manually? Well, stop right now, because you're about to witness a wave of AI tools so powerful, they're literally replacing full creative teams. This isn't just about speeding things up, we're talking minutes instead of days. And some of these tools, they'll blow your mind. Imagine creating viral short videos automatically, turning blog posts into stunning visuals, or having an AI avatar speak your script in any language. Welcome to the future of content creation, and it's all happening right here, right now. Welcome to TFC, Tech and Finance Code, your one-stop destination for tools that save time, boost creativity, and help you scale your content game. So grab your notepad, or better yet, just save this video, because this list will save you time, money, and headaches. Let's jump right in. Let's begin with the image generation AI tools. The first one is 4o Image Generation. It is built into ChatGPT Plus and is amazing at generating highly accurate, prompt-specific images. From marketing visuals to fantasy landscapes and product prototypes, 4o Image Generation does it all. The unique feature is in-painting, meaning you can edit specific parts of the image. It's included in the ChatGPT Plus plan at $20 per month. Midjourney is beloved for its artistic touch and almost magical realism. It creates stunning images ideal for album covers, posters, concept art, and even UI design. It's hosted on Discord and responds to your text prompts instantly. There's no free version anymore. Subscriptions start at $10 per month. Adobe Firefly is integrated directly into Photoshop and Illustrator, and it allows you to generate text-based designs, remove or replace objects, and auto-stylize layers using AI. It's a time saver for graphic designers working under deadlines. Access is included in Adobe's Creative Cloud subscription, which starts at around $20.99 per month for individuals. Leonardo AI is focused on game asset generation. You can create character designs, backgrounds, textures, and concept art with detailed control, ideal for indie game developers, concept artists, and storyboard creators. It offers limited free generation, with subscription plans starting at $12 per month for professional usage. Bing Image Creator, powered by 4o Image Generation, is totally free and available to anyone with a Microsoft account. It's fast, accessible, and perfect for generating creative illustrations and digital art quickly with no cost barrier. Playground AI offers style-rich image generation. Choose between realistic, comic, or fantasy styles and combine it with in-painting and layers. It supports community sharing and creative remixing. The free version allows limited generations per day, while the Pro plan starts at $15 per month. Now let's discuss some graphic design and image editing AI tools. Canva Magic Studio is a complete AI design assistant built into the Canva platform. With features like Magic Design, Magic Resize, and Magic Edit, you can generate full social posts, pitch decks, or even marketing kits just by describing what you want. Canva uses AI to apply your brand identity automatically across all designs, saving creators hours of repetitive layout work. The free plan includes core tools, while the Pro plan at $14.99 per month unlocks brand kits, background remover, and premium assets, perfect for entrepreneurs, marketers, and content creators. Figma, with its AI-powered plugins, takes collaborative design to the next level. Whether you're creating wireframes, UI mockups, or high-fidelity designs, Figma plugins like Diagram, Genius, UI, and Autoflow can suggest layouts, align components, and even write dummy copy based on your project goals. It streamlines product design dramatically, and it's loved by UI and UX teams. Figma is free for individuals, and professional plans start at $12 per month per editor, with additional sharing and commenting permissions. Photopea is a web-based powerhouse that mirrors Adobe Photoshop but is completely free to use. You can open PSD files, work with layers, masks, blend modes, and even smart objects, all from your browser. It's perfect for quick edits, batch processing, or working on the go. This tool eliminates the need for expensive design software if you're handling basic to intermediate level graphic editing. Remove.bg is a dedicated tool for background removal, and it's scary fast. Just upload an image, and it instantly extracts the subject with pixel-perfect precision. Great for e-commerce, social thumbnails, or product presentations. While it's free for low-resolution images, you'll need credit-based plans starting at $9 a month for HD downloads and bulk processing. Cleanup.pictures is a brush-based tool that lets you remove unwanted objects or defects from photos, like wires, people, or logos. It's ideal for photographers, content creators, or anyone retouching their visuals without learning Photoshop. The free version allows standard resolution edits, and premium plans begin at $5 per month for HD cleanup and commercial rights. Let's Enhance uses neural networks to upscale blurry or low-resolution images into crisp, high-quality versions. It's a game changer for printing photos, restoring old images, or preparing assets for commercial use. Rather than reshoot or redraw, you can restore in one click. You get some free credits to start, with paid plans starting at $9 a month, including batch processing. Let's find out some AI video generation and editing tools. Runway Gen-2 is a true pioneer in text-to-video generation. Just describe your scene, something like a dragon flying over a neon cityscape, and watch it transform into a fully animated, stylized clip in seconds. It's also great for video editing, background removal, and VFX, all without needing a green screen. With features like frame interpolation, camera tracking, and style transfer, it can replace hours of complex After Effects work. Pricing starts with a free plan, 125 monthly credits, with paid options like Standard at $12 a month, Pro at $28, and Unlimited at $76 a month, which unlocks nearly unrestricted creative use. Pika Labs is another cutting-edge tool, currently in beta, that gives you astonishing control over motion, camera angles, and texture, all using text prompts. Whether you want cinematic sequences or cartoon-style motion graphics, Pika brings your imagination to life. The interface is beginner-friendly, and you can generate content in just minutes. It's currently free, but premium plans will roll out as the tool matures. Synthesia is your go-to platform for creating AI avatar videos from simple text. No cameras, no microphones. Just type your script, choose from over 150 avatars and 120+ languages, and you've got yourself a studio-quality video. It's widely used for training content, onboarding videos, and even marketing explainers. You get a free demo, but serious creators can start with the personal plan at $29 per month, or the creator plan at $89 per month, which gives you 30 minutes of video per month along with branding and asset uploads. HeyGen elevates AI avatar videos with real-time lip sync, multilingual support, and facial expressions. It's perfect for brands that want to scale multilingual video marketing or influencers who want to localize their content without hiring multiple voice actors. You can try it free for a few minutes. Full pricing ranges from $30 per month for the creator plan, with enterprise options available for large teams. Lumen 5 is a blog-to-video powerhouse. Paste your blog post, and Lumen 5 will transform it into a video complete with animated text, transitions, and stock visuals. It's widely used for social media marketing and business storytelling. This tool can save hours in manual editing and storyboarding. The free plan offers basic features, while the starter plan costs $29 per month, and professional plans go up to $79 per month. Pictory lets you convert long-form content like webinars, podcasts, and blogs into short, engaging videos automatically. You can highlight golden moments, add branded captions, and even auto-generate subtitles. Perfect for turning 1-hour content into a dozen short clips. There's a free trial, and subscriptions start at $19 a month. Opus Clip is an AI video repurposing tool that extracts the most engaging parts of a long video, automatically adds captions, and creates ready-to-publish vertical videos. It's optimized for virality on TikTok, Shorts, and Reels. Use cases include podcasters, educators, and YouTubers. It has a freemium version, and paid plans begin at $19 per month. Descript turns your entire video editing workflow into a Word doc. Delete filler words like just by deleting the text. It includes multi-track editing, screen recording, voice cloning, and auto-captioning. It's a favorite among podcasters and educators. The free plan includes 1 hour per month of transcription, while creator plans start at $12 per month and pro plans cost $24 per month with more tools and AI features. Let's have a look on some voice cloning and AI audio tools. ElevenLabs leads the pack in ultra-realistic voice cloning. With support for dozens of languages and regional accents, it delivers expressive, human-like voiceovers that adapt tone, pitch, and mood. Great for audiobooks, explainer videos, e-learning, and even character dubbing. Its AI can also clone your voice with just a short sample. Pricing starts with a free tier, 10,000 characters per month, and creator plans begin at $5 per month, scaling to pro and enterprise levels based on audio length and commercial usage. PlayHT is another text-to-speech solution that focuses on high-quality emotional delivery. You can generate voiceovers that sound passionate, calming, excited, or corporate, perfect for podcasts, YouTube intros, and customer service bots. The UI is easy to use, and voice styles are plentiful. PlayHT offers a free tier with paid plans starting at $39 per month, including voice cloning and API access for developers. Resemble AI offers real-time voice cloning with the ability to edit speech content post post-recording called speech editing. It's especially popular in video games, virtual reality, and app development. Developers love its API integration and multilingual support. There's a free demo, and Pro plans start at $30 a month with scalable API pricing. Voicemod is a real-time voice changer and soundboard used by streamers, gamers, and virtual entertainers. You can shift your voice live on Discord, Twitch, or Zoom into robotic, demonic, or celebrity-sounding filters. While it's a fun tool, it's also used by creators to enhance personas or brand voices. Voicemod has a free plan, and the Pro plan is available for a one-time payment of around $20, unlocking premium effects. Altered Studio is a voice transformation platform built for professional storytellers. Think of it as AI for audio actors. You can change age, gender, or vocal tone, and even adapt your voice into different characters. It's ideal for fiction podcasts, films, and animation projects. There's a free trial, and Studio Pro plans start around $30 a month. Krisp is the unsung hero of Zoom calls and podcast recordings. This AI removes background noise, echo, and keyboard clicks in real time without affecting your voice. Whether you're recording from a noisy cafe or your bedroom, Krisp delivers professional-grade clarity. It integrates with most platforms and is a must-have for remote workers. It's free for 60 minutes per day, with Pro plans starting at $12 per month. Clean Voice AI is an auto podcast editor that detects and removes filler words, mouth sounds, awkward pauses, and stutters, making your audio sound fluid and clean. It's like having an audio engineer working silently in the background. You upload your raw audio, and it does the cleanup in minutes. The starter plan begins at $10 per month, with custom pricing for agencies and studios. And that's a wrap. 35 of the most powerful AI tools that can turn your content creation workflow from hours into minutes. Whether you're a solo creator, business owner, or just curious, these tools are changing the game. Which one blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments. For more deep dives into tech tools, AI, and finance hacks, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and smash the bell icon to never miss an update. This is TFC, Tech and Finance Code. See you in the next video. Until then, stay smart, stay tech savvy.